Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain about the exercise 1.5 5th to 9th sums. So first problem, fifth problem is if x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then show that 2 log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus x plus 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So you have to prove that x plus you have to prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y when if the given condition is x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. So consider the given condition x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. Then you have to prove this one. So just observe the RTP. What is RTP? 2 log x y. LHS of RTP. 2 log of x plus y is can be written as single logarithm as log of x plus y whole square. Log of x plus y whole square. If it is there, then we can arrive the answer RHS. So what is missed in LHS of given thing? Only x square plus y square is given. 2xy is missing to write it as x plus y whole square. So that's why add 2xy on both sides. 2xy on both sides. So what you have to write, what you will get here, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. This becomes LHS is a square plus b square plus 2ab. It becomes a plus b whole square. So x plus y whole square is equal to RHS becomes 27xy. 27xy. So here you can apply the logarithm on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Then what you will get? Log of x plus y whole square is equal to log of 27xy. Now apply the laws of logarithms. Log a power m is equal to m log a. So LHS becomes 2 log of x plus y, 2 log of x plus y. In RHS it is 27xy means 27 into x into y. So log ABC. Log ABC formula is log a plus log b plus log c. So log 27 plus log x plus log y. It becomes. And LHS is 2 log of x plus y. Keep it like that only. And 27 can be written as 3 cube. So log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. So this becomes 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. And here a power m is equal to m log a again. So RHS we arrived. Very easy sum, isn't it? So suppose sometimes they asked x minus y whole square also. 2 log of x minus y is equal to something they have given. In such case you have to do subtract 2xy on both sides you have to do. Okay. So what is RTP? You have to observe like these sums. We have to observe the RTP. And from the RTP what we have to do for the given condition we have to decide. We have to decide. So next sixth question is if log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Then log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. Then find the value of x by y plus y by x. What is the value of x by y plus y by x? Okay. That means first of all you have to understand that what is given in the condition and what is RTP. RTP is nothing but x, you have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. And what is the given condition? Logarithms. So in the given condition, logarithms are there, but in RTP no logarithm is there. So we have to cancel logarithm on both sides by making as a single logarithm. So log of x plus y by 3, keep it like that because LHS is a single logarithm only. And here half of log x plus log y becomes log xy as the formula that log a plus log b is equal to log ab. And m log a can be written as log a power m. So 1 by 2 becomes log xy to the power of 1 by 2. M place 1 by 2 is there, so log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. And LHS is log of x plus y by 3 as it is. Now both sides single logarithms, then you can cancel the single logarithms. Then what it will become? X plus y by 3 is equal to xy to the power of 1 by 2. And to remove the root 1 by 2, that means root, we have to do the squaring on both sides. So do the squaring on both sides, then automatically you will get x plus y by 3 whole square is equal to xy to the power of 1 by 2 into 2 whole to the power of 2. 2 gets cancelled, xy you will get, and on expansion of LHS you will get x square plus y square plus 2xy by 9. 2xy by 9 is equal to xy. 9 transpose that side. Then x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to, by transposing 9 to that side, it becomes 9xy. It becomes 9xy. So, single logarithm we made as the given condition and we cancelled the logarithm on both sides and we got the x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9xy. And here the like term is 2xy transposed to that side. So x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy plus 2xy becomes minus 2xy. Then x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. But we have to get the value of x by y plus y by x. So divide on both sides with xy. Then x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. So xy gets cancelled, y square means y into y gets cancelled, 1 time y, and x square is x into x, is xx gets cancelled. And so finally what is got? What do you got? X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. So what is the given condition? Given condition is log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. The same questions, they will change the denominator as here instead of 3, suppose they have given 5. What is the answer? 23 you will get. Instead of 5 they will give 7. What is the answer? 49 minus 2. 47 is the answer. In such a way we will get. So you can practice the sums. Don't practice the same sum so many times. And by changing the numbers you can practice, and so that you cannot memorize the sums. You'll understand the sums and you can solve the sums very easily. Next, 7th sum. If 2.3 to the power of x is equal to 0.23 to the power of y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. 1 by x minus 1 by y. So here in the question a is equal to b is equal to c means you can take a is equal to c or b is equal to c also. So I am taking 2.3 to the power of x is equal to 1000. It can be written as 2.3 to the power of x is equal to 10 cube. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Now I'll transpose x to the RHS, power x to the RHS. Then square transpose means square root it will become. So whatever the number is transposed, its reciprocal you will get. So 10 to the power of 3 by x you will get. 3 by x. Make it as first equation. 2.3 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x. And we will consider the second condition, that is 0.23 to the power of y is equal to 1000. Then it can be written as 10 cube again. So you can write 0.23 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y by again transposing y to the RHS. But I want to multiply this with 10 because here I have in the first equation 2.3 value. So here also I want to make it as 2.3. Multiply on both sides with 10. Then this becomes 2.3 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y into 10 to the power of 1. So here apply the laws of indices. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 10 to the power of 3 by y plus 1. And LHS 2.3 value is 10 to the power of 3 by x from the first equation. From the first equation we have 2.3 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x. Then bases are equal, power should be equated. So 3 by x is equal to 3 by y plus 1. Then transpose 3 by y to this side. So 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1. 3 common. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. And 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to, transpose 3 to that side, 1 by 3. So what is its answer? 1 by 3. If suppose here 10,000 is given, 1 by 4. Okay. And if any numbers are that instead of giving 2.3, they will give 0.35, like that 3.5 or 3.5. In such cases also you can do the same solution and you will get the answer. That means I'll explain that 3.5 whole to the power of x is equal to 0.35 whole to the power of y is equal to 10,000. Then what is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y? It's 1 by 4. Very easy. This can be done by using logarithms also. This is without doing the logarithms, exponential form I did. So with by doing logarithms also we can solve. By applying logarithms also we can solve. Next, 8th question. 2 to the power of x plus 3, x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus y. 1 minus x, sorry. Then find the value of x. Here if powers are equal, we can equate the bases, or if bases are equal, we can equate the powers. In this case, no possibilities are, two possibilities are not there. So we have to apply the logarithms. We can go for the logarithms. So apply log on both sides. So logarithm of 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to logarithm of 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Then as log a power m is equal to m log a, x plus 1 log 2 of log 2 is equal to 1 minus x of log 3 you will get. And by applying the distributive property, x log 2 plus log 2 is equal to 1 log 3, that is log 3, minus x log 3. So now variable separable. That means x terms one side and other terms one side. So here x log 2 is there. Minus x log 3 becomes, by transposing to the LHS, x log 3 it becomes plus x log 3 is equal to log 3 is here itself and the RHS minus log 2 it will become. On simplification, x can be taken as common log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3 is equal to log a minus log b becomes log a by b. Log 3 by 2 will get in the RHS. Then x keep it like that only because he asked to find the value of x. So we can write the x value as x into log 6 I can write. X into log 6. X into this log 2 plus log 3 becomes log 6 because log a plus log b is equal to log a, b 2 3 is 6, log 6 is equal to log 3 by 2 and x is equal to log 3 by 2 by log 6 by log 6. So finally the answer is x is equal to log 3 by 2 by log 6. As log AB is equal log A by log B to the same bases, if the same bases are there, then we can write as log A to the base B. So this also can be simplified as log 3 by 2 to the base 6. So this is the x value. Next question is ninth one. Ninth question, first bit. Log 2 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Is log 2 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Log 2. So common logarithms are to the base 10 is equal to x we can take, and here if and only if it is the logarithmic form, its exponential form becomes 10 to the power of x is equal to 2. For any value of x, 10 to the power of x does not equal to 2. Just simply I will explain here. See, suppose 10 to the power of minus 1 you can take 1 by 10, it becomes 1 by 10 is 0.1, and if 10 to the power of 0 you will take 1, a power 0 is 1, and 10 to the power of 1 you will take, it becomes 10. So any value of x, either minus 1 or 0 or 1, its values doesn't equal to 2. In the same way, we cannot guess the value for any value of x. For any value of x, 10 power x cannot be equal to 10 power x cannot be equal to 2. So therefore, log 2 to the base 10 does not belongs to the rational numbers. It is not a rational number. Next, second question. Log 100 is a rational or irrational? Justify. Log 100. So log 100 to the base 10 is equal to x you can take. It is the logarithmic form and its exponential form is 10 to the power of x is equal to 100. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 square we can write. If base are equal, power should be equated. X is equal to 2, which is a rational number. So automatically log 10 to the base log 100 is also belongs to rational number. It is a rational number. It is not irrational. So logarithmic values are some are rationals and some are irrationals. Okay.